Hey guys, what's up? So today I'm going to show you guys how I curl my hair with a flat iron, and today I'm using the Duvolle's Flat Iron, and this is the Desire Flat Iron. It has ceramic plates for an even heating, and I love the hot pink. It's so cute. This iron actually goes up to 140 to 450. So I like using the setting in around 200. I have fine hair, so it's not colored or damaged, so I can get away with using a low heat. Obviously, if you have thicker hair, I would go a little bit higher. If you do have processed hair and it's damaged, it's very fine, I would definitely go with a lower setting. So I can go in between. I'll go in the middle, and if I need to go higher, then I'll bump it up. I never start on a high level, okay? So always keep that in mind, so we don't want to damage our hair. So let's get started. So I can use this flat iron to show you how I curl my hair. So I first want to brush my hair, like so. So it's washed and it's dried. I normally just let it air dry. I don't really use a blow dryer unless like I have to wash my hair and then I'm gonna go out immediately after. Then I will do it just to so I can style it, but for the most part I just air dry it. As you can see, my hair is it's fine, it's not too thick, and it's naturally straight. So if I decide that I want it really flat straight, then I'll just do one pass with the straightener, but for the most part I can get away, here, these areas, and I would definitely straighten. But yeah, it's basically pretty straight, as you can see. Alright, so what I first like to do is I like to section my hair. So normally if I want really tight curls, then I would section this part, and start here. But for this tutorial, I'm just gonna section this part, and I'm gonna get a little clip and just section it off. I'm actually gonna work on my parting because I am going to part it in the center, and okay, that's fine. Alright, so I'm gonna grab this part and I'm gonna secure it with a clip. Okay, so for this technique that I like to do for looser curls, I'm gonna grab this section. Actually, let's start in the back. So we're gonna start in the back, and I'm just gonna go down and just grab a piece like so. Okay, I think I'm gonna go a little bit thinner on that part. Not too thin, not too thick, maybe this much. Alright, so now I'm gonna grab this section and I'm gonna clip it. Alright, so I like running my fingers through my hair. Alright, so now I'm going to grab the flat iron. So I'm gonna place I'm placing the flat iron over like this, and then I'm going to twist my hair into the flat iron like so, and then just glide it down. And you want to go slow. And then you'll get that curl. So you see it's like a soft curl, it's not too tight. Okay, we're gonna do this part again. So that's what I want. I don't want them to be like too tight. I want it to be like a loose curl. So now I'm gonna grab another section of hair, and I'm gonna clip this. I'm gonna go here. I'm gonna do the same thing. So I'm gonna go over and twist it, and then just glide that down. And then just let it drop, and then you can twist it and it'll go in. So it's like a loose curl, you guys will see. Alright, so then we're gonna go again over here, another section of hair. And then secure this section so it's out of the way. Now we're doing it again. And then again. And then just twist it. Right. So now for 2 more sections, and then we're going to move on to the other side. So you see how that looks. Now one more. Super easy. And then I like running my fingers through so it looks, you know, a little messy. And that's super easy, so you can see my curls. Now we're gonna do the other side. Alright, so this I'm going to just clip in here so it's out of the way. And I like using the straightener because I feel like it removes the moisture from my hair and it really locks in the curl. Because I have straight hair, naturally I feel like my curls don't really last, as to why I really hardly curl my hair. And I feel like using, you know, a flat iron, it will help me with that and just lock in the curl, and it'll stay longer. Oops. And if you notice, like if you do, because it locks out the moisture, like if you straighten it first and then try to like curl it, it's not gonna work. You'll have to like wash your hair. So you have to like be careful. You do have to like practice. Because I remember when I first tried doing this, like it was like I couldn't do it. And this Duvolle Desire Flat Iron runs for $95. I'll put the link down below if you guys are interested in getting this particular flat iron. It's actually nice. I do like it. It glides nice. It actually reminds me of one of the first. It's like not working. Sorry guys. So you need to add pressure so it can go. It reminds me of one of the first ones that I purchased when the first flat irons came out. Actually got it at the mall, and same design. I feel like this one's actually a lot smoother. Like my hair definitely glides. I do have another one that's a professional one for professional use. So compared to that professional use, this is really good. Like the plates are really, like I said, really nice. They do glide, which is super important. I don't have to use a high setting, so it does work at a low setting, which is good. And it does leave my hair smooth and silky. As you can see how shiny it looks. And that's what we want, right? Oh, we didn't grab this part. So as you can see, like this is like super quick. Like if you just want to like add texture to your hair, this is a simple way to do that with a flat iron. Super quick. And like I said, I like running my hair through it so it can look, you know, like not too put together, but it still adds some texture. Sometimes what I like to do is also like just twist my hair like this and then go in with a flat iron and just add heat to the twists, and it will also add texture to your hair, like so. This is another easy way to add texture to your hair. Like that. I would straighten this part a little bit just because it looks like too high. So there you have it, guys. This is how I add quick texture to my hair with the flat iron by Duvolle, and this is a Desire series. So yeah, super quick and easy, right? So now I have a little bit of texture on my hair. Yeah, so check the link down below if you guys would want to grab this flat iron. And it was sponsored by Duvolle, so thanks so much to them for sending this over. Hope you guys like this quick tutorial. Bye guys.